equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing a brush motor, specifically focusing on the model 05849. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some cleaning supplies like compressed air and a soft cloth. Start by disconnecting the motor from any power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure you wear gloves and goggles. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor casing. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the casing is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of wear or damage, particularly on the brushes and commutator. If you notice any debris, use compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. A clean motor runs more efficiently, and this step is crucial. Next, check the brushes. If they are worn down, they will need replacing. You can find replacement brushes at most hardware stores or online. When installing new brushes, ensure they fit snugly against the commutator. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After replacing the brushes, use the multimeter to test the motor's continuity. This step is essential to ensure that there are no electrical faults. If the multimeter shows an open circuit, further investigation is needed. Check the wiring for any breaks or loose connections. Once you've confirmed that everything is in order, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Before you reconnect the motor, give it one last clean. A quick wipe down with a soft cloth will remove any fingerprints or dust that may have accumulated during the repair process. Now, reconnect the motor to the power source and test it. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your brush motor. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, repairing a brush motor involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can save money and extend the life of your motor. If you encounter any issues, our services are just a call away, ensuring you have no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.